We are in Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TSI. Got a few lights on the dash. Let's check this out. So here we are in OBD11. We can see we've got an error for brakes. Let's go and have a look at the faults. So we have left rear wheel speed sensor, a intermittent fault, and another one for speed sensor as well. So I set up some logging and this is what I saw. So what I've done is gone into brakes and actual live data. Once we're in live data, we can select the drop down after it's loaded and select current wheel speed. That will bring up all of the wheel speed, and then you can go for a drive and take a look at what those sensors are doing. And this is what I saw. So we can see rear left not working at all the others are working. And here is a new sensor ready to put in. Let's hope it's the right one. Fortunately, the wheel speed sensor is an extremely easy job, and you can even get to it without even jacking the car up. There's the sensor right there, and there's just the one bolt, which is an M5, which you can also use a T30 in. So I'll pull that connector off and pull the sensor out. So we remove the connector and remove this one bolt. And then might have to get a screwdriver and lever this out. Oh no, there we go. Sensor comes out. And indeed, looks like we've got the right one. And now we can pop the new one back in. Put the screw in and tighten it up. Okay, let's tighten it up, pull the connector down, lovely. Let's go back into OBD11, clear these faults, take it for a test drive while we're looking at the live data. Okay, this is the brand new sensor. I'm currently stationary in my driveway, and the rear speed sensor is jumping up 10 kilometers per hour. So I think we might have a faulty sensor. And of course now we have some new faults. Interesting, we got these control module faults though, because I don't believe that is the case, but I reckon it's because it's seeing these values come through that are far too high. So it's kind of like this implausible signal. So they might be saying, hey, you might have something wrong with your module, but I don't think that's the case. I'm gonna have to try and find a good sensor out of another car and see if we can prove that it's the sensor or something else. Unfortunately, all the sensors on our other Volkswagens or Audis are actually different, so I can't actually test if this one's working or not. Looks like I'm just going to have to take some pictures of my test results, send them back to the supplier, and get a replacement. This is definitely something to look out for. So the one on the left is the one I had in the car that was not reading correctly. I contacted the supplier and they've checked the VIN number and said, yep, that's definitely the wrong one. We'll send you the correct one, which is this one here. So you can see the part numbers slightly different. Also, the replacement one is black and this one is grey. Otherwise they look identical, but definitely have that slightly different part number. So let's put this one on the car, see how that one goes. Okay, let's get the OBD11 in. Ignition on. All right, let's take it for a drive, give it a test. And all wheel speed sensors are reading the same. Job done.